Joy. Welcome to Ward. This is the outside of the building and we're going to take a peek inside. This is the common room, so a lot of the first year students get to hang out in this room, play a lot of games, and it's super fun for the RAs to put on events down here. We're going to head up to the third floor to see the laundry room. Look how beautiful the view from the top of Ward is. They have this awesome lake view of Lake Virginia, and it's absolutely beautiful, especially at sunset. So this is the fourth floor of Ward, and this is an awesome common space for kids to hang out. There's a pool table, there's a kitchen right over there for all the students to use, and it's really awesome. So we're going into a room. So this is what a typical room at Rollins looks like. It comes with the 2 beds, 2 desks, and then 2 dresser drawers. Undergraduate students living in Ward have communal bathrooms in their hallway that they share, and each floor is separated by gender. Also, 65% of undergraduate students live on campus. Most students live in a double where they have one other roommate. That roommate is either randomly assigned or you can go on the Facebook page and select someone that you want to live with.